Hi, meteorologist Chris Hatlings here. Looks like it's going to be a beautiful day and a beautiful day tomorrow too. April Fools, you're seeing me. It's not going to be a beautiful day. So it looks like some winter weather moving across portions of the area. It looks like that most, in fact, shifting east of the divide as we head toward tonight into tomorrow. We have issued some winter weather advisories to cover for this. Basically from Buffalo down toward Casper, that got chopped off of Casper right there. Over toward Riverton, includes Lander as well. Goes into effect at 6 p.m. tonight, runs through noon tomorrow. But many of these other areas, the Bighorn Basin, as well as Sweetwater County, including Rock Springs, probably will see some snow tonight into the first part of tomorrow as well. So our confidence index, moderate snow, pretty high chance of that, especially across the areas that we have the advisories up. Less of a chance, obviously, as you get further north and west. Blowing snow, initially not that great. Looks like it'll be a heavy wet snow to start off, then turning drier as we head through the night, so a better chance of that as we get toward the early morning hours. Now, a little bit worried about this right here, a flash freeze. It's been very warm lately, so the ground temperature is pretty warm. So a lot of that snow that falls in the roads initially is going to melt. But if we get temperatures dropping down to about 18, 20 degrees, like what could happen, we probably will see some icy spots develop on the road. So watch out for that, especially very late tonight and toward the first part of tomorrow. And snowfall amounts, not terribly sure about these. It's going to be kind of a banded snow that develops here, so you could go 5 miles away. It could be a big change in the amounts. But one thing I want to emphasize, we're heading towards spring. That means elevation a big factor. A few hundred feet can make a big difference. For example, around Casper, downtown might be okay down by the river. However, you head up toward Wyoming Boulevard, it could be a whole different world there. Also around a place like Riverton, downtown, it might be fine. Go toward the airport, again, roads could be much worse up there. So watch out for that if you have to travel between towns late tonight into tomorrow. So we time out the impacts. Most areas should be okay to about 9 or 10 o'clock. Then as those temperatures drop and the snow becomes heavier and starts sticking on the roads, 10 to 11 for the start of the maximum impact. Should be shutting off fairly early in the day across the Bighorn Basin, then pressing south and east as we go through the day. At the ending last around Casper, there will be some snow around the afternoon as well, but with that high March, April now sun angle, I should say, it should begin to melt the roads off as we head toward the afternoon. So our temperature change, this will be between lows tonight and lows heading toward tomorrow night. You can see as much as 27 degrees lower. Could be some lows dropping down maybe into the single digits as we head toward Wednesday night if we can get some clearing around the area. So I know you're wondering how much snow we're going to get. Maximum amounts, anywhere in that usual crescent in this pattern, basically Buffalo down toward Casper, heading back this way toward Riverton and Lander, anywhere from 3 to 6 inches there. A little bit more, less across the Bighorn Basin, that should say about 1 to 3 inches up here. And generally about 1 to 3 across Sweetwater County. Now I want to warn you, there is one model that's indicating there could be a few more inches down here. So we'll have the day shift take a look at this, see if we may need some kind of a winter weather advisory down in this area. But we should be okay for travel today just about everywhere across the area. So if you have to get something done, get it done during the daylight hours. Here's our usual travel weather information for roads. You get wildroad.info. You want to call them on the phone, 511 in-state, 188 Wild Road out-of-state. There's our web address for our webcams. You want weather? Anytime. weather.gov/RIW. Be safe, everybody. Have a good day. Meteorologist, I thought I talked. What is that?